Hello and welcome to English Story TV, the YouTube channel and podcast that is designed to help you improve your English. I'm your host, Emily, and today's video is about the exciting world of gadgets. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to make your daily life a little easier, gadgets are a fascinating topic to explore. Today, we'll dive into some of the most innovative gadgets out there, learn some useful English vocabulary, and even look at how these gadgets can change the way we live. First up, let's talk about what exactly a gadget is. A gadget is a small tool or device that performs a specific function and is often novel or ingeniously designed. Think of things like your smartphone, a smartwatch, or even a robotic vacuum cleaner. These are all gadgets because they are designed to fulfill particular tasks in innovative ways. Now, let's explore some categories of gadgets and some examples that might be familiar to you or perhaps even completely new. One of the most popular categories is home gadgets. These are designed to improve your living space. For instance, smart speakers like the Amazon Echo or Google Home allow you to play music, set timers, or even control other smart devices in your home with just your voice. Have you ever used one? They're quite handy. Another great home gadget is the smart thermostat. Devices like the Nest Learning thermostat learn your habits and automatically adjust the temperature based on when you're home or away, awake or asleep. This not only makes your home more comfortable, but can also help save on energy bills. Moving on from the home, let's talk about personal gadgets, especially wearables. Wearables are gadgets that you can wear, like the Apple Watch or Fitbit. These devices can track your fitness, monitor your heart rate, and even help you navigate with GPS. They're incredibly useful for keeping a close eye on your health and fitness goals. Now, let's shift gears and look at some vocabulary related to gadgets. A key term to know is innovative, which means featuring new methods, advanced and original. For example, the innovative design of the new drone allows it to fly longer and capture better photos. Another important term is portable, meaning something that is designed to be easily carried or moved, like a portable charger, which lets you charge your gadgets on the go. One more fun gadget category is entertainment gadgets. These are gadgets designed to enhance your entertainment experience. A good example is virtual reality headsets, which transport you to a completely different world, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're playing a game or watching a 360-degree video, VR headsets offer an immersive experience that's hard to beat. Speaking of beating, have you ever heard of a drone? Drones are not just for taking beautiful aerial photos, they can also be used for racing. Drone racing is a fast-growing sport where pilots fly quadcopters through courses at high speeds, and it's really exciting to watch. Next, let's do a little practice with our new vocabulary. I'll describe a scenario and you try to guess which gadget I'm talking about. This gadget is portable, innovative, and keeps your devices powered up when you are away from home. What is it? Answer: portable charger. This gadget helps control the temperature in your home and learns your schedule. What is it? Answer: smart thermostat. Let's also discuss how these gadgets are impacting our lives. Many gadgets are designed with the goal of making our daily routines more efficient. For example, robotic vacuum cleaners can save you a lot of time by keeping your floors clean without you having to lift a finger. They roam around your home, sucking up dirt and debris, and some can even be controlled with your smartphone. However, with all these gadgets, there's also a need to be aware of issues like privacy and the environmental impact of electronic waste. It's important to use these technologies responsibly and recycle old gadgets properly to help reduce their environmental impact. Now imagine waking up in the morning and your curtains automatically draw to let the sunshine in. Your coffee machine starts brewing a fresh pot, and your daily news brief is read out by your smart speaker, all triggered by your morning alarm. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. It's all possible today with smart home technology. Smart home gadgets are part of a category called the Internet of Things, or IoT. This term refers to the idea of connecting everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to send and receive data. A smart bulb, for instance, can be turned on or off from your smartphone, or set to dim when it's time to relax. Let's learn some vocabulary related to this. Automate, verb. To make a process operate automatically without human intervention. For example, I automated my home lighting with smart bulbs. Sync, verb. To cause things to occur at the same time or rate. For example, you can sync your smart gadgets to work together. Moving beyond the home, let's consider health gadgets. These are not just about keeping fit, they're also vital for monitoring health conditions. A digital blood pressure monitor, for example, can help track your blood pressure over time, providing valuable data to you and your doctor. Another innovative gadget is the glucose monitor for diabetics, which continually checks blood sugar levels without the need for painful finger pricking. The convenience of health gadgets has significantly changed how people manage their health. They provide real-time data that was once only available in a doctor's office. This has empowered many people to take control of their health proactively. Let's do another vocabulary exercise with some terms related to health gadgets. Monitor, verb. To watch closely for purposes of control, surveillance, etc. For example, I use a gadget to monitor my sleeping patterns. Track, verb. To follow the movements or progress of something, often for observation or research. For example, I track my steps using a fitness band. Now, turning our attention to kids and teenagers, gadgets are not just about smartphones and games. Educational gadgets can make learning more interactive and fun. Take, for example, programmable robots that teach coding skills. Kids can program these robots to navigate through mazes or perform tasks, which introduces them to the basics of software programming in an engaging way. Speaking of engaging, let's talk about how gadgets can help us connect with each other. Social media platforms, video calls, and messaging apps all rely on smart gadgets. They help us stay connected with friends and family around the world. During times when traveling is not possible, these gadgets become even more essential, allowing us to see and speak with our loved ones virtually. Now here's a fun activity. Let's make sentences using the new words we learned today. Try creating a sentence with automate, another with sync, and one with track. It's a great way to practice your English and make sure you remember what these words mean. As gadgets continue to evolve, they also become more integrated into our lives. They can make our lives easier, help us stay healthy, and connect us with others. But it's also important to remember to use gadgets wisely. Spending too much time on electronic devices can affect our sleep, relationships, and overall health. It's all about balance. Finally, as we wrap up today's discussion, think about how these gadgets could fit into your own life or how they might change in the future. Gadgets are not just tools, they can be a fun and integral part of our lives, continually evolving with technology. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.